So pick a card. Pick a card.
Anyone?
Yeah.
Oop. Oh, interesting. Okay.
Once you have it, place it on top of the deck.
Dad? Can I see it? Oh. It's interesting.
Okay, put it on top?
Yeah.
It's an interesting card, huh, Dad?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Shuffle it. Make sure it's straight. Up and down.
Okay.
And then is that your card?
What card is falling off?
Yep. Good job.
Thank you.
Wow, Matt. Nice shot.